In this video, we are going to see the 1 bedroom, 1 bath A4 floor plan at the Groves, South Lamar, just so you can see what the unit looks like, how everything's laid out, and where you might want to put your furniture. And with that, we're getting into it right now. If this is your first time tuning in the channel, my name is Marcus Jordan with Premises Place Group, broker by eXp Realty, and I help businesses find office space and people find apartments and real estate investments. If this could be helpful to you, go ahead and subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market in Austin, Texas. All right, so here we are in the A4 floor plan. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 768 square feet. And the one thing that's unique about this particular floor plan, or I guess really the property, is that all of their bedrooms can fit a king size bed. We'll get in there in just a moment, but just for right here, so you can see. And then you have your kitchen area there, right in line. Plenty of room for a good sized dining table here. Sitting area. Now, most units come with a walkout balcony, as we can see here. Though there are some, as I was told, that have a Juliet balcony. But a good walking area for a balcony. Let's test this, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, good size. All right, let's go up and see the rest of the unit. Good, got the amount here. And now here you're gonna have your washroom, or your wash area. All units come with a washer and dryer, as well as stainless steel refrigerator and microwave and oven. Now we saw all of that as we walked in, but I just want to show you this up close, and that's the faucet. I always like these modern faucets where you can choose spray or direct there. A nice deep sink for you as well. Let's check out this 1 bedroom that can fit a king size bed. Look at that. And you still have enough room on the sides here if you want to put an end table or a chair sitting area if you want to read. So plenty of space. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Let's see, you have your Ecobee thermostat there. And then you have the bathroom. Close this here so you can see the whole thing. Dual sinks even in this 1 bedroom. So great for couples or roommates who don't mind being this close to each other. The other thing I do like about this bathroom though is this closet is nice and sizable. Look at that. Full walk-in closet. Well, Marcus, you say it's sizable, but how sizable? Well, hey, let's go to this one corner and let's just walk it out so you can see, right? 7, almost 7 feet from edge to edge, from the farthest corner to the other side. And still pretty good depth. Garden tub for those long days. You just need to soak in a glass of wine or whiskey, whatever you're into. And again, we'll just get you from the other angle. This is the A4 floor plan. 768 square feet. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, washer and dryer included. So there you have it. We saw that 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 768 square feet. Not bad, especially when each room can fit its own king-size bed. I mean, some of y'all need that much space. Some of y'all don't, but whatever you want to use it for, completely up to you. No judgment here, but keep doing what you're doing. So if this was a good video, if this was helpful where we were able to deep dive into a floor plan so that you could just have a closer insight to what's involved, or I guess what's included, then go ahead and give it a like below, subscribe, sign up for notifications, and let me know what type of floor plan you would like to see, and I'll do my best about finding it and making a video for it for you. So with that, I'll see you on the next one.